Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do subscribe and join the fam and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. In today's video, we are doing eyeshadow do's and don'ts. So I'm going to be showing you guys eyeshadow mistakes that I see people do, and on the other side I'm going to be showing you guys how to avoid those eyeshadow mistakes, so what you should do instead and how to correct those mistakes and up your eyeshadow game. So on this side will be the eyeshadow mistakes and on this side will be what you should do instead. Now let's get into the video. So the number one mistake that people do usually is to not prime their eyelids. So I'm actually going to prime on this side. You don't even need to use eyeshadow primer. You can actually use your concealer as primer or as eyeshadow base. I'm going to use this Elico Pro concealer and the shade is Creamy Beige to prime the eyelid. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is the Zulu by Juvias Place, and I'm going into that yellow shade right there. And I'm just going to apply it directly on the eyelid on this side. Now I'm going to apply it on this side, and how to apply it correctly, and look at the instant difference right there. The yellow pops more. It looks more brighter than it does on this side. And this is simply because I actually primed the eyelid. Just with that priming only, you can already see the difference very clearly. It's very bright and vibrant, and it's not as bright and kind of patchy, so the difference is visible. Now next up, I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow, and on this side I'm just going to pack it up. Take it all the way up to the eyebrow. Now I'm all done, and I didn't even take much time into actually blending out the edges of this brown eyeshadow. So as you can see, it's quite rigid. Now I'm going to show you guys the difference on this side, where I'm actually going to blend this brown eyeshadow. So first I'm going to start by packing it up, and then I'm actually going to blend it out. Now if you look at the two sides, this side is more rigid and cut out by the edges, so the edges are actually quite sharp. Brown is actually quite a soft color, so you can't see it as badly as if I did it with a very cool tone, harsh color. So dark pigment, a cool tone dark pigment, would have even been worse than this. But as you can see, this is a very clear cut out line, whereas this side is very well blended right there. Very nicely blended out. Now moving on to the lower lash line, what people tend to do is just overdo it and go super dark. But luckily today's eyeshadow is brown, but I'm still going to overdo it just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Now on this I'm going to be more subtle with it. I'm going to go into the brown. It's a little bit more subtle compared to the side, as you can see. Then I'm going in with the yellow to diffuse it a little bit. Now here is the side by side of these two eyeshadow looks. On this side, yes, this could work if you're going for like runway look, artistic look, but if you're going for your everyday makeup wear, so wearable makeup, this definitely needs more blending. It definitely needs more blending, and your yellow could have popped a bit more. So obviously, as you can see, priming your eyelid before applying eyeshadow does help with defining the color and making it pop and reach its true potential, as well as blending just gives this look a finer, more perfect look. Basically, this is just for that girl or woman who wants to wear her makeup to look pretty and to make it wearable every day, and this is not necessarily for artists or people who want to do, you know, runway looks, or you know those special type of makeup looks. Those are pretty much out of the box. They're a different category. This is for everyday wear, and you must definitely blend your makeup and your eyeshadow so that you can look presentable and nice. This is the final product. This is what it looks like side by side. And that brings us to the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. Remember, if you aren't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and join the fam. And I'll see you guys in my next video.